It's your girl Renee, and guess who I'm with? Garden with Birdie. Woohoo! I have the honor of being able to come over to Bernie's garden because she has wanted to do a fabulous garden redesign. So I said, I can help you with that. And so she put the call out because she needed some assistance, and your girl was close. So here I am, because that's what we do in this garden community. When fellow gardeners call for assistance, if we are able to help them, we are there. So what Bernie wants to do today is that she wants to extend her garden bed. So, Bern, let's start over here. First of all, Bern, what's in this pot over here? What kind of secret treasure you got over here, girl? What's in there? Oh, let's get in close and see. Oh, wow, it's doing good.
I think it's cauliflower.
Bernie thinks it's cauliflower. All right, we love some cauliflower. And look what she has next to it. Look at all these heucheras. I love me some Corabelle. Look at that one. Oh, and she has a red mustard right down here. Look at that. Look at those leaves. These things are something glossy. Beautiful. I just want to pick it off and just eat it. Maybe I'll have this for lunch. Because you know she got to pay for me to be over here. So she got a lot of good things to eat in this garden over here. So this is what Bernie was thinking. Oh, she's got another sneak attack.
There's a carnation.
This is a carnation.
It actually has a label on it.
Oh, we know how Bernie is with her labels. I'm so proud of her because she is learning how to put labels in her pot. Way to go, Bern. All right, so we have a marker here because starting from right there where Bern has her foot, she wants to extend that bed all the way to this shepherd hook. All the way down. Walk on down there, Bern, so they can see. All the way down to right there. I think that's going to be a nice width because she's been wanting to plant more things in her garden. So we are going to dig this out and give her the space that she has been wanting.
Yes.
And then this section over here, we're just going to leave this section alone because it's her corner garden, which is beautiful. As you can see, she has some of her collards over there. They're going to seed, but that flower is beautiful. Oh, and look what we discovered. Look at her daffodil. Bernie's got the first daffodil out. Look at it. It's beautiful. And look in the center. Gorgeous. I'm telling you, Bernie got it going on over here. So we're going to leave this whole area here alone, and then we're going to start because she has another garden bed right here with her knockout roses. I can't wait till them mamma jammas are in full bloom because they are gorgeous. So right where Bernie is standing, that is going to be her walkway, because and where this Lead Farmer cement pot, that's where we're going to extend that bed all the way right in front of that gorilla cart down there. And then we're going to keep on going, and right where she has those bearded irises, we're going to stop right there, and we're going to leave this bed alone. And this is where we're going to be dropping all the grass and stuff that we're going to be cutting out of that other flower bed, because as you can see, Bernie has a low spot here, and we're going to try to, raise it up so all that water won't drain into her beautiful back garden over there. And she has some wonderful things growing back here. And then her last section that we're going to be attempting is right where Bernie is standing on that brick. We're going to extend it from there all the way where she is walking. So that's where we're going to be doing today. And as soon as we get all this done, we're going to come back and we are going to show you the results. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Why am I excited? Because I'm hanging out with Bernie from Garden with Bernie. And if you have not checked this child's channel out yet, I am telling you, you better get on over to that channel. Bernie got some exciting things coming in her garden this summer, and you do not want to miss that action. But don't forget, tell her Renee's Garden sent you over there. All right? Because I'm going to be looking on Bernie's channel because you know I subscribe to her. And I'm going to see if all my lovely subscribers are going over to Bernie's Garden and giving her the support and the love that she needs. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And I will see you in a little while. Okay, take care. Bye. There's Bernie. She's out there tilling her yard. That's one of the raised beds that we extended today. So she's out there doing her thing. She put in some black cow and some soil conditioner. And now she's working it in. Using her tiller to make sure she's incorporating the bad dirt with the good dirt. She's working it out. That little tiller has saved us a lot today. It was a hot day, but now it's a nice, cool, breezy day. So as soon as she finishes doing that, then she should have some start of some good soil. Bernie is going to make this spot a very enriched soil area so she can grow some beautiful vegetables or flowers. So we're over here working hard, and I'm showing you what the end result will look like. That's one of the beds that we did. Let me show you the other beds. This one we did over here. We took all the weeds and the grass out, and we're going to spray some weed killer on this particular area because it still has a lot of weeds and stuff in this dirt. Because don't forget, this dirt was covered with grass. This grass over here was all over here. So now she has cleaned it out and we've made it look good. And all the grass clippings and all that. This is the area that was kind of lower, so she was going to raise it up. So we put all of our discarded pieces of grass that we took out of these areas to put it over here so she could level it out. And then this is her final garden bed over here, where when she has more time, she's going to put some more black cow, some of that soil conditioning dirt over here, so she can get this old dirt enriched with nice good minerals, so whatever you plant in here will grow nicely. And then as a gardener, she had some extra daylilies that she gifted me, so I will be taking these daylilies right here home, put them in my garden. See how windy it is? Beautiful. I'm telling you, you need the wind after a long, hard day of working. So I have had a tremendous bunch of fun over here in Bernie's yard, and let's just take a quick look. She has these beautiful red knockout roses, which are going to be beautiful when in bloom. Alright guys, just wanted to give you this final look of what the final products look like that Bernie and I have been working so hard all day, and that's her tiller that she was using. And let's end our video with another look at this beautiful daffodil. This daffodil is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love coming over here in Bernie's garden because she has some very unique flowers over here. Even though these collards are no longer good, but they are setting out beautiful yellow flowers here in her garden. Gorgeous. So one more last look of the garden bed that we extended today. She's worked hard, and she put those bricks as her border, and they look fabulous. And seeing she's also doing her winter sewing as well. So with that being said, Bernie's gonna say goodbye
Bye, guys.
and tell you how much you enjoyed me over here working with you today.
Having Renee here to help me just made the work so much easier, so much quicker. I appreciate a good garden friend like her.
That's
Thank
what
you, Renee.
You're so welcome. And don't forget, go check out Bernie's channel, Gardening with Bernie. She would love it. All right,
Yes.
guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And we'll see you in the next video. Yoo!
Bye.